Well, we've got an attack. We have no power, and they're shooting at something in the air. Trying to shoot it down. I've been doing it for about probably 5 minutes. Almost 10. You don't see any explosions in the buildings, so maybe they got it. But the power's out, so I'm not sure.
So outside my kitchen window here, we get a view of the children's hospital. You can hear the generators that are running. This a place over here with a few stores, shops on the other side. You got a generator running because power is out, electricity's out. So the hospital here has its own generator. And down in the basement is a fallout shelter. So you can see some places are still operating, like over there's an office building. But again, they probably have their own generator. There are a lot of them out right now. Like a lot of generators sitting outside running. So anyway, that's the condition here. And things got pretty bad today because I'll tell you in a minute. I was saying that things got a little bad today because we were getting hammered for a couple of hours with drones and rockets, and they were trying to shoot it out of the air. But there's generators running now because power's out. They started up the schedule again for power outs across the city. My power's out right now, and that's kind of tough. But I heard that Putin's going to be hammering us for a couple days, so they've got a place for the schedule for the next couple days. I don't know if we're going to have power at all during the 2 days, but maybe it'll be a rotation around the city. I think that's what they're planning. So maybe we'll have power for about half the day, or maybe more. We'll see. Anyway, you can be praying for us, praying for me to be able to continue my work here. You can see I look tired because I was sleeping. I couldn't stay awake. That was it. I was out. And I slept for maybe about 3 hours, I guess, there. Because last night I was woken up at 4 o'clock by drones and missiles. But also I was heading down the street here to go get coffee and check on my friend who I've been preaching the gospel to there. And a drone flew right overhead, just flying really low, but very loud engine, and just flew right overhead. And then they started trying to shoot it down down towards the center of the city. So they usually get it on the outskirts of the city, back over here where I took a video this morning. But then this one got through, and it flew over, like many blocks before they were able to shoot it down. So. And they're trying everything. They're not only did they have their city defense that they're shooting, to anti drones and anti-rocket launchers, but they're using machine guns even to try to shoot some of them out of the air. So yeah, look, I didn't see any explosions, so it looks like they got all of them except that one that snuck through, but then they got it. So they're doing a pretty good job, I guess, at nailing these. And Putin's trying really hard. You got to be praying for us so that I can be doing the ministry that I need to be doing. Pray for us, and please, I do need help with rent. So it's about $700, $750, because the utilities vary, each month. So please, I still need support in rent for this month, And this is a hard month because a lot of people, are spending their money for Christmas. But I'm here, and I still have rent and food needed each month. So, and you're my support. You are, like I keep saying, you are the hands and feet of Jesus Christ to me, as I am the hands and feet of Jesus to all those out there. All those out there on the street. So, the link is in the description down below. Every amount counts. Even if you're like a student and you want to support this ministry and you want to send in $30 a month, do it, because every amount counts. And I especially pray for those who have donated. May the Lord bless you as you seek Him with all your heart.